Christan Bosley coming to you with this month's market update as it relates to October 2022. Well, folks, this should be a very short and concise update today. The real estate market in Toronto is calm, cool, collected, representing just a little bit of balance. Not sure about you, but balance has been the name of the game in life for centuries, so I'm feeling pretty positive despite the transition to what Treb diplomatically refers to as a higher borrowing cost environment. While these stats may be slightly boring, they sure do tell a story, so let's get straight to it. Average price clocked in at $1,089,000, down 5.7% year over year. Interestingly though, month over month, the price statistics have been very stable since the month of July, representing increases month over month, July, August, September, October, of between 0 to 0.5%. Really equaling a very stable average price environment. Fun fact though, the media would have you believe, of course, that prices are plummeting. The reality behind that is that the city of Toronto since February 2022 to October 2022 has only experienced a decline of 9.7%. So where are these numbers coming from, you may ask? Let's look at the region of Durham as a prime example. In the same time period, Durham has experienced a huge decline of 27.3% in average price. Turning to sales, this month came in at 4,961 sales, a very similar number to September, representing a 1.5% decrease month over month, but a whopping 49% decrease year over year. A word to the wise, as they say, when we go through any transition in the marketplace, your month over month stats really are much more telling than annual declines. The month over month decrease between September and October does buck the trend. We would generally expect to see an increase in sales between these months. Usually we would be quite concerned at that, except for one fact, and that is, of course, that new listing inventory has also experienced a month-over-month decline of 7.5% and an annual decline of 11.6% for a total of 10,390 new listings through the Treb MLS system in October. Now, this is the most significant number. If you were to buy into the headlines, such as Toronto home sales tanking and experts are very worried, clearly the experts are fighting on the future of the Toronto marketplace. The reality is this. If that were true, we would expect to see sales decline. We would expect to see average price decline significantly. And more importantly, we would expect to see a significant increase in new listing inventory. This, of course, is not being reflected in our stats as we are seeing very stable prices and continued decrease in listing inventory. So, what's the moral of the story? While balance may be a little bit boring, and of course we all look for excitement in our day-to-day lives, it is a great time to buy and sell. The long-term outlook is very positive. We all need shelter and the opportunities remain plentiful. For example, if you are somebody living in a condo and looking to move to your freehold, now is the time. The purchasing power spread between those two segments in the market is lower than we have seen it in over a decade. As always, don't forget to call Bosley for all of your real estate needs. We have seen it all, the good, the bad, the ugly of both the headlines and of course your local market conditions. Call us, we're here. Thanks so much for listening. Bye for now.